So these are my latest 130 millimeter prototypes. I just put them on, and you can hear, you hear the treads? That's how sticky it is. It's amazing. I'm able to, that's all the treads, and you can see the rolling resistance. I've got it tuned to where it's almost there. You see the rolling resistance. There is a little bit, but you still get very roll, and you get very good grip, and you can really hear the individual treads really gripping onto this hard surface here. I think this is gonna definitely work. These are 130 millimeters, I think. Wait, no, these are, I think these are actually 120s. I'm working on the 130 on my other ohm board, the bigger one. I also have the new ohm board Zeus Pro, because I have all these old boards, I realized, and I need to test it with the latest boards. So I'll have an update on that. But I'm gonna go test these out. I'm literally there, and it just took me this is all I've been doing every day. But I've got it perfect. These wheels are better than urethane, and will last longer. And easy to replace. You can just replace the tires if your tires, wear out. You don't have to replace the whole wheel. You can have multiple different size tires. Let's say, maybe you go off-road, get the off-road wheels. You can go on the street, a little bit less traction. So my problem actually hasn't been not being able to get enough traction. My problem has been trying to tune the balance between traction. And right now, the number one thing that the 3D printed wheels are better than urethane is that you can make those treads, and also you can have flex. So you have the flex of the material, like say 95A of the TPU. Now with urethane, that's it. You get a whole wheel. Or with rubber, you just put some bunch of holes. But with 3D printing, you can control the infill, and you can have additional flex inside the wheel, almost acting like additional springs or shocks. And that's where the additional, way more traction comes in, comfort comes in. Anyway, this is just beginning. I'm gonna be making so many different type of wheels in the future, but I'm gonna go test these out. So excited.